Hey guys, on today's business tip of the day, I want to talk about the importance of being around like-minded people. I love this topic personally because this is one of the topics that is so important in any entrepreneur's journey. It can be very lonely doing this walk. Being an entrepreneur, it can be very lonely. Because most of the time you're usually that alien, that oddball amongst everybody else around you. Like your ideas are more grandiose. Your ideas is more outside the box than most normal people. So sometimes it gets to a point where they're like, oh, Raquel, yeah, I get it. Or, oh, Joe Schmo, I get that. Oh, Tiffany, you want to make $50 million by 2027? Oh, that sounds good. Yeah, these are the type of reactions you get. You're like, dang. When you're around your regular friends or regular people. But that's why it's great to be around like-minded people who, if you tell them, yo, my goal is to have a 7-figure month, like, yo, come on, Rock, let's do it. How are we gonna do that? Tell me, let's break it down. We start jotting stuff down, start throwing stuff on the board, be like, this is what we do. Then make some more offers. So we're gonna do offer to do this, offer to do that. In order to make this goal, we gotta sell 10 of this 50K offer. But like, do you know how empowering that feels? That's why for me, the last funk I was in, I live in New York. And for some reason, all y'all choose to move to Florida, to Georgia, to Michigan. Just leave us, sister, right? But it's okay, because I'm coming. I'm finna leave New York too and meet y'all in Florida. Last time I was in a funk, I said, you know what? I'm jumping on this flight and going to my people in Florida, where it's a gang of us, like-minded people over there. And what happened? I spent 10 days there, got my refresher, and guess what? Did 50K in one day. See what I'm saying? Because you're around like-minded people. You're around people who's just like, yo, I got this energy back. Because again, at the end of the day, you do want to be your own spokesperson. You don't want to always rely on people's energy. But there are times in life when you're just like, yo, I've been on this journey for this whole year by myself, delving into content, absorbing content. Yes, we got Zoom. Yes, we got phone calls. Yes, we got FaceTime, but it's not the same when you're like amongst people. You guys are masterminding. You guys are like, yo, we can do this. You guys spend hours upon hours absorbing, bouncing energy, real life energy off each other. That's why it's so important to find a group of people that are like-minded like you in your field, and you guys can crush it together. I cannot stress this enough about how important it is to be around like-minded people. It helped and is continuing to help me in my journey, and I know it's going to help you as well.